Welcome to the ClearOne University and the StreamNet View Pro Certified Product Specialist course. This module goes over installation features. The View Pro encoder and decoder have the same front panels. On the front, you have a front panel status port. You also have a front exhaust port. There's a built-in IR receiver, and there's one USB 2.0 port on the front. On the rear panel of the encoder, you have a balanced audio input. You have 3 digital inputs, 3 relays. You have an IR input and an IR output. You have dual gigabit connections. There are actually 4 3.0 USB ports. You have 2 HDMI source input ports and a DB9 RS-232 serial port. On the rear panel of the View Pro decoder, you have a balanced audio output, you have 3 relays, 3 digital inputs, you have an IR input and an IR output, dual gigabit ports, 1 HDMI output, a DB9 RS-232 control port. You have actually 4 USB 3.0 ports, and one thing you'll notice, there is an audio input. Again, we learned that in an earlier module, but that audio input is to encode audio and place it anywhere on the network so you can play back on an amplifier in a different location. The View Pro encoder and decoder on the bottom panel have mounts for wall mounts, and also there's a VESA bracket that's available. The View Pro encoder and decoder are 1U high, and the encoder comes with rack rail ears to make it fit into a standard 19-inch 1U high rack. And the type of device that produces this is your typical digital high-def camera, including those ones that say full HD resolution. When they're saying full resolution, they're really talking about the pixel count. But they don't say on those stickers is that they're chroma subsampling, and so you only have, in this particular case, 1/3 horizontal resolution. And so that's a common one you'll see out there. The View Pro encoder and decoder can be mounted in several ways. You have a wall mount, you have an optional VESA mount that you can do. Of course, they can be mounted on a shelf, they can be rack mounted, they can be wall mounted, or they can be in wall mounted. The View Pro encoder and decoder